I'm so confused. Tell me what's happened. So many voices in my head, but it told me that this day will come. Tell me, have I done enough? Yeah, to be. Now my book's gone and closed. All my deeds are for show. So I lie here and wait for that day. I'm so scared. I'm mungkin nakir. Oh Allah, get me through this test. Ya Ilahi, please forgive me. I need you. Ya Ilahi, I knew this day would come one day, but it's come too soon. But this is all up to Allah. He sent his angel of death. My time has come. Now